I think in China it will. We're going to see less stimulus. Policymakers arguably already taking their foot off the accelerator a bit, with short-term interest rates having drifted higher in recent months and signs that fiscal stimulus is past the peak. That said, there's a pretty big tailwind from the stimulus to date, both in China and around the world. And in each country, their own domestic stimulus is helping growth, but then everybody else's stimulus is helping growth too, because foreign demand is picking up and so are exports. So I think that tailwind is with us going into 2021. But in the places that are farthest along, and you rightly called out China, we're going to see an easing back of stimulus, given that it looks less necessary than before. One other thing I just highlight in China's case is, ironically, China probably doesn't benefit as much from a vaccine as other places, simply because it's already come so far and service sector activity has normalized so much. It's still helpful. It reduces uncertainty, but the places that have been hit harder by the virus are probably the places that will see the biggest benefit from vaccines.
That's a very good point, Andrew, and it makes me wonder what your view is in terms of what the benefit could be for Southeast Asia, because for a while now we've been dealing with this picture, the dichotomy, if you will, between Southeast Asia and the stronger growth in North Asia. Do you think the vaccine could spell news for those investors to get back into the Southeast Asia markets, or is it difficult depending on what we're looking at with distribution in these places?
Yes, our analysis definitely suggests that those places, India, Southeast Asia, will tend to benefit more from a vaccine. We see that both in market reactions, but also economically, given the spread of the virus and given the exposure to international tourism. For example, in Thailand, which has controlled the virus pretty well domestically, but still won't see its economy bounce back if tourists from other countries can't travel normally.
Yes.
So I think tourism-dependent economies, as well as those with significant spread, are the ones that ultimately benefit more from a vaccine. Having said that, we won't really see the economic impact of that until probably late in the first half, or really the second half of 2021. Markets can be forward-looking, but the economic benefit is going to come a bit later.